Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's December 26, 2024. I hope everybody's had a safe and happy holiday. And I'm down here by the new pond over here that I had constructed this past summertime. And so I thought I'd come down. It's 25 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Just come down and see how things are. If I had to come down with Elon, the excavator, to deal with any small dam problems that the beaver have done. But the water's running pretty well down here. You can see the rate of water moving across from the lower beaver pond into the new pond is moving well enough that even with our freezing temperatures, this area has been remaining open. And the drains that I put in right over there, you can just see, are running, draining the area that there's another spring over here on the other side of this access road that I've got in here that I've got to work on next season. And the beaver have created a little bit of a dam here, but this isn't a problem because we're not getting any washout over here. I'll head over here and see if the beaver are using this cross section here. Now we're supposed to get a bit of a warm up here pretty soon. So although this is a beaver dam that they built and I built the road alongside of it, the water's running not just out over there where we just came through, but they make their dams so that they're pretty porous. And so as you can see, the water flows through right over here on this side of the roadway. And no recent tracks coming across, because this is where the beaver cross, and they go right over here into this section. So they're not making their way over here right now. Let me just walk up here. And I don't know if you'll be able to hear the water flowing here under the roadway, under their dam. So there it's flowing through. Over here, the water's flowing through. So that's all water making its way from the lower beaver pond right here and down to the lowest beaver pond down there. Of course, in wintertime, it's kind of hard to see how everything is. We'll walk up here a little bit. The snow's pretty dense, and so one of the spillways, so this is the upper beaver pond up here, and this is a road I built alongside of the upper beaver pond. But you can see this area here is where water, when it gets high, it percolates through here, and underneath this whole roadway up here, the water just flows through because it's only semi-porous, this pond is, and the water just makes its way through right up in here. So there's the lower beaver pond. You can see where there's no ice, that's where the water is making its way through here. I see the coyotes got some prints here, and the upper beaver pond here. Totally different atmosphere now during the winter months. Totally different. All spring, summer, and fall, this is just bounding with activity. So I'm pretty happy. The roadways are holding up. Most of the berries are off of the berry bushes right now. Another spillway there, and up there is the road that we put to the new property and all. And we got deer print, right? Well, actually some fox prints right there. Don't see any fresh fisher tracks or raccoons right now, just a coyote, a fox, and deer so far. But this is the quiet winter life down here in the beaver ponds. Under the water, the beaver are going to their storage bins or their storage units that they've created during this late summer and fall. And I should have pointed out the beaver lodge, which is quite a ways out there in the upper beaver pond. But it's beautiful. The deer are up in the food forest. The deer, the rabbits, and the foxes I see all the time in our food forest up above. So, looks like the main places that I wanted to check, make sure we aren't getting the dams too high, because the beaver will build them up at times. But this is absolutely fine. It looks good. The small amount of dam building that they did here across the spillway, that's fine. Everything's running beautifully, and we're not having any issues with the roadways getting washed out, so we're good. Just a little look during the winter months here down by the beaver ponds. Short video, hope you appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up if you love wildlife like I do. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.